Neelam and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share how I made this cottage-core dress. So without further ado, let's start the tutorials. I have used this approximately 2.5 meter cotton printed fabric, out of which I have created one dress and a top from the leftover fabric, as the width of the fabric was 60 inches. First, I have cut the skirt part of the dress, which is simple A-line, and then I will cut the round shape from hem later. I have used the pattern from the corset. For that, I have given the link in the description box, but what I did is just added the gathers in the cups, and I won't be adding boning, so I cut the pattern in one piece instead of multiple. This is under chest pattern, the cup with added gathers. These are the straps in shape because I'm gonna add frills later and I wanted it to be broad from the shoulders. And it is back. Back is cut twice as I will be adding elastic, so we'll turn it inside out. Let's start the stitching first by gathering the cups, but before that I'm making case on the top portion of the cup for elastic. Once done, I'm adding the elastic and securing it at both the ends with the stitch. Now I am giving gathers at the curve of the cup. I cut the front and the chest pattern in two parts as I wanted to make the central panel little thick so that I can add buttons later. Actually, to give the strong base to the buttons. Now attaching the cups with the under chest pattern. Coming to the back, I am stitching it from the edges on the wrong side so that I can turn it inside out and add the elastic in the center back to give the bodice nice fitting. Join the front back borders from sides as I have used elastic, so no other fastening is required. I have also made the straps in a way that no seam should be visible. I am turning the straps inside out and attaching it with the bodice. Somewhat bodice is ready, only frills are left which I will be adding at the end. And before that, I am preparing the skirt by joining the sides first. And then we'll stitch it with the bodice from the front waist and fold it from the back waist as I'm giving a keyhole at the back. Finishing the hem by folding it twice. And adding a zipper on the left side of the skirt. Last part is to add the frills on the straps. So I cut the 3 inches broad strip of the fabric and finished it from the one side and making gathers on the other. Now adding it to the straps by stitching it on the edge of the straps. I wanted a slit on the front side as in the Pinterest image, so I am making one by just cutting the slit and folding the edges. That's it, the dress is ready.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram account. Till then, stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.